Are you tired of thinking of stain removal and wash quality of your clothes? Here's a great solution. LG presents semi-automatic washing machine. Just the perfect answer to tough stains. The roller jet pulsator along with 3 mini pulsators rotates the clothes effectively and washes out stains, dust and mites while being gentle on clothes. The magic filter collects the lint which comes out while washing clothes and makes sure it does not get stuck in the pipe. LG puts technology to best use with its latest range of semi-automatic washing machines that come with rat-away technology. LG washing machines have a 3 mm strong plastic base with rat-repellent chemical that keeps rats away and enhances the durability and performance of your washing machine. Wind jet dry reduces remaining moisture on laundry by rotating the spin tub at high RPM. The air circulated inside removes water and dries clothes faster and better. And the cherry on the top, it is 5-star rated too, which adds to the trust. So go ahead and get yourself the feature-loaded LG semi-automatic washing machine.